according to the biographer Giorgio Vasari, when Michelangelo was 17 years old, he was given permission to actually enter into the morgue here at the Basilica of Santo Spirito and to begin anatomical dissections. That permission was given to him by a particularly enlightened prior of the Basilica at that time. And in thanks for the opportunity, Michelangelo allegedly carved a wooden crucifix, which he gifted to the church and was placed on the high altar. The sculpture was lost for centuries and was actually rediscovered here in the convent of Santo Spirito in 1962. And although not universally accepted as a work by Michelangelo, it was put on display in a museum called the Casa Buonarroti, where it remained for quite some time. And in 2001, scientific analysis proved more or less that in fact the sculpture could very probably have been carved by a young Michelangelo and was then eventually moved back here to the Basilica of Santo Spirito and put on display inside of the sacristy. The wooden crucifix shows us the body of a younger man. It's not typical of Michelangelo's sculptural style, where most of the time the musculature is quite heroic in scale. Although there is a tendency on the part of Michelangelo to carve sculptures that correspond to his own age. And if he were 17 when he carved this, well, that body type that you're looking at could in fact be one of a 17-year-old younger man. So when you visit the Basilica of Santo Spirito, be sure to walk through the door under the organ, through San Gallo's beautiful barrel-vaulted space, and into this exquisite sacristy to see the celebrated work by the young Michelangelo.